Welcome students. Come back with another question. Find the minimum value of a plus x into b plus x upon c plus x where ab greater than 0 and x not is equal to minus c. Before going to solve this question, one advice that watch this video without any break. If there is any break, everything will not be understood and we will lose better concept. Another thing is, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon because whenever any video will be uploaded, immediately notification will be sent to you. Now, solving. The given expression is look at the expression. Obviously, it is a rational function. Numerator is a polynomial of degree 2 whenever this will be multiplied, and denominator a polynomial of degree 1. To find minimum or maximum, generally used the differential calculus method. That is, first differentiate and equate it to 0, then test the sign of d2 by dx2. But in this case of rational function of polynomials, if algebraic method is usable, that is, it is lower degree, and quadratic polynomial or like this or any other way, algebraic method better to use follow. So, first simplify this, and to simplify, let c plus x is equal to y and let this p is equal to this and name it 1 and implies that x is equal to y minus c. So 1 may be reduced to p is equal to a y. Gradually writing the right hand side, left hand side as it is. So, now multiply numerator y square when y will be multiplied by y plus writing here y. Whenever a minus c will be multiplied by y, then a minus c, now giving second bracket, plus when y multiplied by b minus c, plus when this and this multiplied, now divide each term of the numerators by y. So y plus, first writing this, it is obvious why written this thing first before this thing, because this term containing y, this term containing y. Now if we express this in terms of whole square, then the expression divided into two parts, variable parts and constant parts. So write here y minus root over to express in terms of whole square, we should write here this square. Say after this step written. Y given written root y because whenever it will be expanded, it will be y, it will be a minus y, a minus c into b minus c by y. First term and second term we are having easily, but having another extra term minus 2ab terms, that is minus 2 root y will contain 2 into this. So that should be written here plus, because one thing, and that is minus root of that written extra. So to make equalize, write this 2ab terms, that means 2ab, that means cancelled, root over a minus c plus this as it is, a minus c now root over a minus c, root over b minus c, that means root over a minus c whole square is equal to a minus c, root over b minus c whole square is b minus c, and using these two ab terms we may write this root over y because if we expand this, or it is expanded, then it will be a minus c as it is, it will be a minus c as it is, and 2ab terms 2 into this, no problem. Now watch the expression, last expression. Whatever be the value of y, here only one variable y, whatever be the value of y, this whole expression, that square, always greater equals to 0, because it is known that square of any expression must be greater equal to 0. So whatever be the value of, this is constant remaining and this is changing, so value of whole expression cannot be less than that of this. So therefore for all values of y, the expression root over y so that will be square greater is equal to 0. Hence the minimum value of this expression is equal to this. Hence the minimum value of this expression, this, and gradually that is p is that of square. Hence also we may write this the minimum value of So this is the end of the question. Before going to finally end, I shall tell you, or you are requested to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for having the notification each and every video when will be uploaded. Thank you very much.